Tokyo Olympics 2020 silver medalist Saiko Mirabai Chanu was accorded a hero's welcome at home on Tuesday. Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren in a Facebook post stated, "Welcome home Saiko Mirabai Chanu. Everyone in the state is absolutely delighted to have you back here in Manipur. Your achievement in the Tokyo Olympics 2020 is no mean feat and we are so proud of you." Mirabai cleans her medal at the Olympics in the women's 49 kg weightlifting category. Elated over her great achievement, the people of Manipur and its government today celebrated the joy. She was given a hero's welcome upon her arrival at the Imphal airport. Imphal residents were overjoyed to receive her on the way from airport to city convention, where the main function was organized by the Department of Youth Affairs and Sports. Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh yesterday announced that the state government had decided to appoint Saiko Mirabai Chanu as additional superintendent of police sports in Manipur Police Department. The state government had also announced a cash reward of ₹1 crore for weightlifter Mirabai. At the event, CM Biren and YAS Minister Letpao Haokip handed her a cash incentive award. Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joy Kumar, Manipur Olympic Association President and Hairok MLA T.H. Radhishyam were among the dignitaries who were present at the felicitation function. Amid escalating border tensions between the two northeastern states, Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma Tuesday tweeted a purported video of Mizoram police criticizing their behavior. In the video, the police personnel can be seen relaxing on the ground while one of them is smoking on the background. Look at this video to know how personnel of Mizoram police acted and escalated the issue, Sarma tweeted, calling it sad and horrific. The Assam government has asked Mizoram to restrain its people and police personnel from indulging in wanton violence and work towards restoring peace. While expressing his concern over the Assam Mizoram clash in which 5 Assam police personnel were killed and over 50 people were injured, the Assam government in statement said the government of Assam is committed to maintaining cordial relations and peace while restoring neighborly relations. The statement said, in another breach of existing agreements and the existing status quo, Mizoram began constructing a road towards Rengti Basti in Assam, destroying the inner line reserve forest in Lailapur area. With veteran BJP leader B.S. Yediyurappa stepping down from the chief minister post, all eyes are on Tuesday's BJP parliamentary board meeting in New Delhi, where a new CM candidate will be picked by BJP leaders including Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The BJP parliamentary board, the highest decision-making body in the party, will pick a candidate from a shortlist of over half a dozen probables and communicate the choice to the BJP legislators in Karnataka through emissaries. Some members of the parliamentary board and the BJP leadership will subsequently travel to Karnataka with the intent of ensuring the smooth election of the new candidate at the legislature party meeting. A total of 44.19 crore people have so far got the COVID-19 vaccine jab in the country. Over 3 crore patients have been recovered from the deadly infection. India's recovery rate now is stated to be 97.39%. In the past 24 hours, 42,363 patients were recovered, with 29,689 coronavirus fresh cases reported in the same period. There are 398,100 active cases according to the report. Meanwhile, Manipur in the past 24 hours registered 1,165 coronavirus new cases with 11 fatalities according to the state COVID-19 Command Control Room. Akomlu Kanglegpak observed the Integrity Protection Day 2021 at its head office in Imphal on Tuesday. However, the event was a low-key affair in wake of COVID-19 pandemic, the loop said. It regretted that the program could not be held with the participation of people owing to the pandemic. Integrity Protection Day marks the day when Manipur went off in flames. The immediate provocation was the agreement signed by the central government with the National Socialist Council of Nagaland and SCNIM Isaac Muiva to extend the ceasefire by another year without territorial restrictions. Its very first line, "Without territorial limits," outraged the people of Manipur, which led to spontaneous protest in Imphal. Kakching District United Clubs organization Kaduko on Tuesday has drawn the attention of Chief Minister N. Biren on non-availability of fertilizers in Kakching and Taupal districts, which has created a difficult situation for the farmers. The organization cited that the state government has ignored fertilizer quota for the two districts. Kaduko said they have already talked to Taupal District Agriculture Officer over the matter. Social activist Rakesh Naurem has demanded a separate health minister for Manipur. Currently, Chief Minister N. Biren is holding the additional post of health. He said the call for appointment of a separate health minister has become more relevant. Rakesh was distributing essential items to 30 households at Tenta. The event was organized in association with COVID-19 Task Force Tenta. Imphal West District VDF Welfare Association on Tuesday provided edible items and face masks to VDF personnel who are working as frontline warriors during the pandemic. Imphal West Police, under the initiative of District Superintendent of Police Dr. Ipom Cha, also extended help to VDF personnel. Sprinkler and power sprayer sets were distributed to 50 farmers of Wangjing Tenta constituency under the supervision of local MLA Paunam Brozen on Tuesday. The tools were provided at subsidized rate under the Department of Agriculture for the 5th time. He said the same tools would be given to more farmers of the constituency. Volunteers of UPF Manipur distributed Ayush 64 tablets for people who are currently infected and those who have recovered from COVID-19. The distribution in different parts of the Imphal East was held in collaboration with Directorate of Ayush, Lamphel-Pat and Committee on COVID-19 Manipur. United Committee Manipur UCM and Manipuri Students Federation MSF have condoled the demise of Professor Laisram Sadananda of Singzamay Mathaksong Thamlekai. Professor Sadananda is considered a warrior of peace, and his major contributions in the field of literature and other societal issues are commendable.